Inside the box we find 4 cameras and a power supply. There's an NVR which already includes the hard drive and is ready to set up. The kit includes an HDMI cable to connect the NVR to your local monitor. Now we can start to set up the system. Firstly, power up the cameras and NVR. A wizard will start automatically and a guide will take us through the whole installation, which only takes a minute. The wizard will activate your device and prompt you to set your region, Wi-Fi connection, preferred language and time settings. The camera will automatically detect by Wi-Fi to your NVR. This is all it takes. Now we are ready to use the solution. If you would like to use your mobile phone to connect to your NVR, simply enable the HikConnect platform and scan the QR code. After this you will be able to live view and playback on your mobile phone. The following NVR kits are available: a Full HD H.264 package, or you can choose a 4 megapixel H.265 package. My name is Arno, thank you for watching.